Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will show you the best OBS Studio settings for Intel Core i5 2500K processor and AMD R9 380X graphic card. So your video doesn't look like this and look like this. So just copy my settings, go just click on settings right over here, go to output, put output mode to advanced, go to recording. Your recording format should be MP4. Recording path depends on you. Encoding should be AMD Advanced Media Framework or S264/ABC encoder. Don't check this box. Then scroll down. Your view mode should be advanced, set to advanced. Okay. Then preset, leave preset blank. Quality preset balance, profile should be high. Profile level, don't know what that does, just put it on automatic. Rate control should be CBR because it is the best, but if CBR is not working for you, go for VBR, but CBR is the best. Pre-pass mode, don't know what it does, so disable it. Target bitrate should be 10,000, minimum key P should be 18 and maximum should be 51. Then all of this stuff, just don't touch them, like just don't touch these stuff. Alright, then go to video. So here's your FPS should be 60 and base canvas should be your native resolution, and output, I'll put some resolutions on the screen. Just record videos on those resolution only, because YouTube only provides support. My life. Downscale filter should be Lancos, and put this to common FPS and 16. If you put this to 120 or 100 FPS, is going to lag. Hotkeys depends on you. Advanced, your process priority should be high or above normal. Most people say above normal, but I put it high just to not get. Then that's it for this video. I hope you liked the video. If you do, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.